Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to post the story on your Telegram account. So let's get started. First of all, open your Telegram application on your mobile phone, tap on that. Now you can see the camera icon on the bottom right corner, tap on that. Now you can see photo and video option on the bottom of your mobile. You can either click a photo or you can also swipe on video in the bottom of the screen to click video. Or also you can post story from a gallery by tapping on the icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, tap on that. Now choose the photo that you want to put on your story, tap on that. Now you can post the photo as it is or you can also resize it. You can also set the visibility hour for your story by tapping on the 24 button above the next button, tap on it. Now you can see 4 different hour options. You can choose the third option, 24 hour, because it is free, and if you want to choose the first, second and third hour option, then you should get a Telegram premium subscribe. You can also add a caption to your photo, and you can also add any sticker you want and put it wherever you want. You can also draw something on your photo and remove it back if you don't want it. And you can also add the text on your photo, and after you're done with all the editing part, click on the next button on the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on that. And before you post your story, you can set who you want to see your story, like you can set it for everyone, my contact, close friend or selected users. You can see another 2 options below, allow screenshot and post to my profile. If you want to disable the screenshot, you can turn off the toggle button or you can on it back if you want to allow the screenshot. And same as that, if you don't want to post the story to your profile, then turn off the toggle switch, and if you want to post your story to your profile, then turn on the toggle switch. And after you're done with all the settings, you can finally click on the post story on the bottom of your screen, tap on that. Now you can see that our story is in the process of being uploaded. Now tap on the my story. You can see that our story has finally been uploaded on our Telegram story. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.